Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sayyida Azra. Welcome to amfahhtech YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to show you the step-by-step process of creating your own logo for free by yourself without using any complicated design apps. So if you haven't subscribed this channel, subscribe now so that you will be notified for upcoming videos. I have divided this tutorial into 3 parts. Number 1, create design completely from scratch. Number 2, create design using elements available in the Canva. Number 3, create design while editing the ready-made designs of Canva. Firstly, let's start the part 1, in which we are going to design the logo in Canva from scratch. So let's move on to Canva and start the video. Open browser, go to canva.com. Type logo here so that the shape and size of the logo comes to me. As you can see, there are tons of different templates available on the Canva, but I'm making one from scratch. So let's hit a blank template and we are here in the editor. First of all, go to text. Type here the abbreviation of your brand. As I have typed here AN, resize it, scale it up, select the font, whatever you like. I type here Blanca. Again, scale it up, position it in the center of the canvas like this. Decrease the letter spacing. Now it looks nice. Change color of the text. Go to share. Increase the size to 1000 pixels and download. Now I'll upload this image. Go to upload files. And upload. See, it's uploading. Now you change the color as per your brand. Now I want to add this element. Go to elements and search for curve line. Select the line of your choice. I pick this one. Increase its size, rotate it, and adjust it like this. Duplicate this curve line. Change the color to white. Adjust these 2 curve lines in the middle of the text. Now bring the image into the project. Simply drag and drop. Adjust it. like this. Position it to the back. And you see, it's done. It's very simple and elegant logo. Now go to part 2. In this part, I'm designing the logo using elements available in the Canva. So let's start. Add page. Now I'm going to design the logo of a coffee shop. For this, first go to elements and search for coffee. Here you can see the cup of coffee. This one also looks better. More designs are here. This one also good. Also you can change the color of the elements. I think so this one is much better. Now I will add in a shape. I like hexagon shape. Add in, drag and drop. I think so this one is much better. Remove it. Change the color. Go to color palette. I select this brown color. Now add in some text. Here you can type the name of your coffee shop. Resize it. Change its font as per your brand. Adjust in center, center align. Group it so that you can move it together. So see, this looks much better. Change the color of the font. Now I will duplicate this. Also you can position it like this. So see, now the third part, in which I'm gonna design logo using the ready-made designs available in Canva. So let's go for this. Add page. First select the design that matches your business or brand. Now I'm gonna design logo of some travel company. So I choose this one. Now I will type the name of the company here, ABCD Travels. I don't want this one, so I delete it. This one also I remove. I'll change the slogan here. Explore with us. From another logo, I will choose this one, adventure, and add here. Now I would like to add some shapes, some elements here. I will search for beach. I choose this one. Place here, resize, adjust, and change its color. Now I will like to add some birds. Search here, search for birds. I choose this one. I will scale it down. Place here, and I will send it back. You see, this looks better now. I hope you like this video. I thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting the channel. It truly means the world to me. So thank you so much. Hit the like button if you have enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.